The scene is all too familiar. You're using an app or performing a search on your phone when all of a sudden, bam, you get hit by an ad that doesn't even pertain to you. I'm talking about an ad that doesn't even make sense. At XAD, we have a solution that bridges local businesses and consumers. Our search-based ad network accurately targets consumers based on their needs, location, and behaviors, showing only content that really matters to them. This is made possible by XAD's extensive network of local sites and apps, along with sophisticated ad scoring technology. We apply smarter uses of search to connect consumers quicker and easier. Time of day, location, demographics. XAD enables targeting based on all these, as well as over 20 other relevance factors. With mobile advertising, your business has a small window to make a lasting impression. But when you find it, an entirely new door of possibilities is opened. With over 1 million advertisers in our network, ads are delivered at the right place at the right time. It's no coincidence with XAD.